Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. Today, we're going to talk about gaming keyboards, specifically for beginners. If you're new to the world of gaming, you might not know what kind of keyboard to get or what features to look for, but don't worry, we're here to help. First, let's talk about what makes a keyboard a gaming keyboard. Gaming keyboards are designed to be more responsive and durable than regular keyboards. They often have mechanical switches which provide a tactile feel and a satisfying click sound when you press a key. Mechanical switches are also more durable than the rubber dome switches found in most regular keyboards, so they can withstand more use. Now, let's talk about some features to look for in a gaming keyboard. The first thing to consider is the type of switch. There are three main types: linear, tactile, and clicky. Linear switches are smooth and require the least amount of force to press. Tactile switches have a bump when you press them, giving you feedback that the key has been registered. Clicky switches have both a bump and an audible click sound. It's really up to personal preference which one you choose, but most gamers tend to prefer tactile or clicky switches. Another feature to look for is anti-ghosting. This means that the keyboard can register multiple key presses at the same time without any keys being missed. This is important for gaming, especially in fast-paced games where you need to press multiple keys at once. Some gaming keyboards also have customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to choose the color and brightness of the keys. This is more of a cosmetic feature, but it can add a fun and personalized touch to your gaming setup. Lastly, consider the size and layout of the keyboard. Gaming keyboards can come in various sizes, from full-size to compact, and some have additional macro keys or media controls. It's important to choose a layout that feels comfortable for you and your gaming style. In summary, when looking for a gaming keyboard for beginners, consider the switch type, anti-ghosting, RGB lighting, and size/layout. Ultimately, it's important to choose a keyboard that feels comfortable and responsive to your gaming needs. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye everyone!